It's craft time. Today we're going to make float planes or seaplanes. I have one here that was a little bit tricky to make. I used a clothespin and I reused some plastic bottles to make the floats and the wings. You can see how I kind of did it, and I added a yarn so that I can make it dip down and up. That one's pretty hard and tricky to make, but today together we're going to show you how I made another kind of flying boat that's a little bit easier. What you're going to need for this is some plastic bottles. I have a water bottle. Maybe you can find some colored bottles that are fun to use and test them out and see if they float in the water. I'm going to use the water bottle, and then I used another bottle, a cider bottle, and I cut a wing shape out of the side of that bottle. So here's the wing shape. I'm just going to use a little piece of duct tape, and I'm going to tape that wing shape right onto my bottle right there. It kind of looks like a plane, and I think that's going to really float. Let's try it out in the water and see. Meow, splash. Oh, it's a little tippy. You have to be really careful to put that wing right in the center of your airplane so that the weight is even on each side. Otherwise, it tips in one direction or the other. See if we can make it so it doesn't tip. There it goes. Terrific. Meow. Enjoy playing with your float plane in a tub, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.